Dami naman noon. Oo, Sisi. 13 sila, Sisi Lablered. Imagine, yung 13, ano yun? Nagpapakita sila pag malapit na ang Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving Day. Parang this month. Ayan, malapit na kasi. October, November. So, almost there. Mm-hmm. Ayan, salamat guys. Salamat, Sisi. Sis Pia, thank you. Really appreciate, Sisi. Ayan. Actually, gutom na talaga. My chan is, gutom na siya, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Oo. I don't know saan siya nakatira tong babaeng ito kasi we bumped there in Bethany. And then, dito din pala siya. Nag-walk ng aso. Ayan. Really gutom. Si Salamat, Sis Lovely Red, Sis Inspiring Gallery. Sino pa dyan? LBS. Kayong atatlo. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung sino pang naka-PG dyan. Linlin Telebrico. Ayun. Kayo ng 5. Linlin. Gallery. PSP. Lovely Red, LBSS, and Inspiring. Ayan ang malunggay nila, Sisi, oh. Their malunggay is very healthy. Ayan. Ayan ang malunggay, very healthy. Malunggay is very healthy. Dapat narbis na yan. Tapos they have apples. Apples here. Apples. And ginupit na nila yung almond. And the pears had no fruits this year. And they have this persimmon. Ayan ang persimmon, oh. Sarap ng persimmon. What time is it? The persimmon. And they